your oxters? Nah, I've no idea.
Is that yours?
My armpits?
Armpits. Your oxters or your armpits?
I'd say no.
I'll be your armpit.
I haven't heard that one before.
You know that one. Keep quiet.
Right. I keep quiet, keep shut. To hold your tongue.
If I was telling you to haul your wheesht, I'd be telling you to shut your face. Politely. Just a wee bit nicer.
How your wheesht? It was like shush, like wheesht. Ah.
Today's words are oxters. Smelling fresh today, boys, on the armpits. And how your wheesht, as in keep quiet, would ye?